Welcome to NIC, your Enforced Data and Policy Services partner. In this video, you'll learn how to utilize NIC to identify contracts nearing surrender expiration, giving you timely reasons to reach out and provide valuable guidance. To access this, click on the Insights button on the left-hand navigation. Then click on Annuities. From here, click on the Opportunities tab, where you can see contracts with upcoming surrender period expirations. Remember that you can click on the blue numbers for any of these breakdowns to view the list in more detail. Overall, NIC's Annuity Opportunities view highlights contracts nearing key events like surrender expirations, giving you the insight to reach out and guide your clients at the right time. Thanks for being a NIC subscriber. Be sure to watch our additional videos to learn about how NIC can have a positive impact on your business.